Hey, let me show you how you can deploy NVIDIA Cosmos 2 Reason model really quickly on Nebius. First of all, you need to open the Nebius website. Second, you can just click Login to AI Cloud. Depending on which authorization you're using, select what's appropriate for you. I will check mine. And now you can see the main console. So to deploy the Cosmos 2 Reason model, we will use Container over VM. So you click on it and you can click Create Container over VM. Because Cosmos 2 Reason model is compatible with VLLM, let's use the VLM plus Jupyter as a starting point. So the only thing that we need to add here is the model name. I just copy it from the Hugging Face. And then you need to add a Hugging Face token. To add it, you click Add, you provide the name, and you put your token and click Add Token. In my case, I already have it, so I could just select it from the drop-down menu. We'll automatically create for you a token to access the Jupyter Lab and the VLM API key. You can copy them right now or you can copy them later. Then you need to select the resources that you're going to use, the GPU type and amount of GPUs that you need. For this model, we can go with the H100 and 1 GPU will be more than enough. If you want, you can adapt the local storage, the storage, the disk size. I will keep it as standard, and then if you want to have an ability to log in inside of the virtual machine through the SSH, you need to choose SSH as well. If you don't have it, you just need to create, and here provide the username, public key. If you don't know how to create public key, there is a guide how you can do that, and then just credential name to like a tag, how to save it. In my case, I already have it. So that's all. You just select VLLM, you put the model name from the Hugging Face, and you add the Hugging Face token. That's the only thing in reality that you need to do. And then you click Create Container over VM. It will take a couple of minutes to create it. I will just, no, I don't need to save the password. Yeah, so it's starting to provision. The virtual machine will be launched, the container will be pulled, then the container will be launched, then the weights of the model will be downloaded from Hugging Face, and you will be able to use it. So let me just pause here and come back when it will be deployed. And we are back. So as you can see, right now the status became running, which means container deployed, weights are pulled, and the model is running. To test that it actually works, I created a couple of demos. You can find them in the folder. So for example, I have a demo called Image Basic where we sending the image to the model and asking model to provide what's on this image. To launch this model, to launch this demo, you just need to Python demo. Then you need to provide a few parameters. First of all, host. As a host, you can use a public IP address, so you can just copy it from the console. And the second one is API key because we want to protect everyone. We assign API key, and as I told you, you can copy it directly from the console. So I'm just copying it and paste here. Hit enter. My request will send a link to the image and ask the model to describe it. So then the backend will download the image and ask the model. And here is a response from model. So it described the image and let's see. So that's it. The model actually works. And you can send the request in as much as you want. That was a short video how to deploy the Cosmos 2 reason model on Nebius, and as you could remember, you just need to provide two things: the model name and a Hugging Face token. That's it. The rest will be done automatically for you. Enjoy!